Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you can't receive payouts. Your seller info might need verification. So to use Etsy payments inside Etsy, your business details must be fully accurate and verified. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to verify your seller information for Etsy payments. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So all we're gonna do is open our device, make sure we are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go and look for Etsy.com. So this is the website. We're just gonna go and tap on it, then come all the way here, tap on this section, then log in using our email address and password to access Shop Manager. After this, we're gonna go and look for finances, then select payment settings. So when we select Shop Manager, payment settings, check your legal name, address, date of birth, business type, and all of this. So if Etsy requests you for documents, upload them, then click on submit and wait for approval. As for bonus tips, information must match your official documents. Even small spelling differences can delay the payout, so keep it in mind. The bank details must fully match you and your ID. That's totally normal. You should also check your email for any verification updates. Look for basically spam, all of them folders, make sure everything is looking fine, and that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.